Arterial plaque is a buildup that can obstruct blood flow and is primarily composed of calcium, protein, and cholesterol. Plaque formation often involves biofilms, which are colonies of microbes that create protective calcium shells around themselves. These biofilms can accumulate on the roughened surfaces inside arteries, mainly where factors like excessive sugar intake, diabetes, or unhealthy fats can cause damage or inflammation. High LDL cholesterol, precisely the small dense particle type, is commonly found in conjunction with plaque. This type of cholesterol is influenced by diets high in sugar and carbohydrates. The cholesterol in plaque isn't free-floating, but is transported within proteins, essentially acting as a kind of shuttle bus for cholesterol. To combat or reverse plaque development, focusing on specific nutrients and their sources is crucial. Foods containing these types of vitamins are highly recommended. Vitamin K2 helps direct calcium into bones instead of arteries. Vitamin C is essential for its antioxidant properties and its role in collagen formation, which can strengthen arterial walls. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant to prevent damage to the artery walls. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation, which can help prevent the initiation and progression of arterial plaque. Foods rich in these nutrients include wild-caught salmon for omega-3 fatty acids, sauerkraut for vitamin K2 and probiotics that support gut health, which is linked to cardiovascular health, arugula and other leafy greens, which are high in fiber and potassium, help to maintain blood pressure and arterial health. Nuts and seeds like sunflower seeds, which are high in vitamin E. Garlic and olive oil are known for their anti-inflammatory and heart protective properties. Implementing these foods into a diet can significantly contribute to the health of your arteries and overall cardiovascular system. For an optimal, heart-healthy meal that combats arterial plaque, you can consider a detailed meal plan that incorporates these essential nutrients and foods effectively. Heart-healthy meal plan. 1. Starter. Omega-3 rich dish. Wild-caught salmon. Grilled or baked salmon seasoned with herbs like dill and lemon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation in the arteries and improve overall heart health. 2. Main course. Nutrient-dense salad. Arugula salad base. Arugula is rich in potassium and fiber and has glucosinolates, which support liver health and help detoxify blood. Add-ins. Sunflower seeds, high in vitamin E, which protects the arteries from oxidative damage. Parmigiano Reggiano, a hard cheese from Italy, rich in vitamin K2, which helps prevent calcium from depositing in the arteries. Extra virgin olive oil dressing, mixed with apple cider vinegar or balsamic vinegar for added heart health benefits. Olive oil is known for its anti-inflammatory effects and healthy fats. Chopped garlic, fresh or fermented to boost the anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties of the meal. 3. Side dish. Probiotic-rich fermented food. Sauerkraut. Fermented cabbage not only adds texture and flavor to the meal, but also boosts your intake of lactic acid bacteria, vitamin C, and K2. These components support gut health, which is linked to reduced heart disease risk and helps manage cholesterol levels. 4. Beverage. Herbal tea or water infused with citrus. Herbal teas like hibiscus or green tea are known for their antioxidant properties and beneficial effects on blood pressure. Water infused with slices of citrus fruits like lemon or orange provides additional vitamin C and helps with hydration. Tips for preparing your meal. Cooking methods. Use cooking methods that preserve the integrity of nutrients, such as steaming, grilling, or baking, instead of frying. Seasoning. Opt for natural herbs and spices to enhance flavor, without adding excessive salt or sugar. portion control. Even when eating healthy foods, keeping an eye on portion sizes is essential to maintain a balanced diet. By incorporating these foods and nutrients into your daily diet, you not only support your arterial health, but also enhance your overall well-being. This meal plan provides a balanced approach to reducing the risk of heart disease by addressing the common causes of arterial plaque and ensuring that your body receives the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally. That said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. We're here to support each other, and your feedback motivates us to create content that helps you reach your